In this video, we are going to discuss some important question and answers from Chapter 1 Fundamentals of Computers. This video is for both computer science and computer application students. First generation computer used dash. The options are vacuum tubes, transistors, integrated circuits, microprocessors. The answer is vacuum tubes. Name the volatile memory. The options are ROM, PROM, RAM, EPROM. The answer is RAM. Identify the output device. The options are keyboard, memory, monitor, mouse. The correct answer is monitor. Identify the input device. The options are printer, mouse, plotter, projector. The answer is mouse. Dash output device is used for printing building plan. The options are thermal printer, plotter, dot matrix, inkjet printer. The answer is plotter. Which one of the following is used in ATM machines? The options are touchscreen, speaker, monitor, printer. The answer is touchscreen. When a system restarts, which type of booting is used? The options are warm booting, cold booting, touch boot, real boot. The answer is warm booting. Expand post. The options are post on self-test, power on software test, power on self-test, power on self-text. The answer is power on self-test. Which one of the following is the main memory? The options are ROM, RAM, flash drive, hard disk. The answer is RAM. Which generation of computer used ICs? First, second, third, fourth. The answer is third. For this question, we have two different kinds of answers. Out of this, you can choose any one and you can write in your examination. What is computer? Computer is an electronic device that processes the input according to the set of instructions provided to it and gives the desired output at a very fast rate. Next one. Computer is an electronic device that takes raw data, that is unprocessed data, as an input from the user and process it under the control of set of instructions called program, produces a result that is output, and saves it for future use. Distinguish between data and information. Data. Data is defined as an unprocessed collection of raw facts suitable for communication, interpretation, or processing. On the other hand, information is a collection of facts from which conclusions may be drawn. Example for data is 134, 16, Kavita, C. Example for information is Kavita is 16 years old. What are the components of CPU? CPU has three components. They are control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, and memory unit. What is the function of ALU? ALU performs arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and logical operations. The result of an operation is stored in internal memory of CPU. Write the functions of control unit. The control unit controls the flow of data between the CPU, memory, and I/O devices. It also controls the entire operation of a computer. What is the function of memory? The memory enables a computer to store the programs and data temporarily or permanently. Differentiate input and output unit. Input unit. Input unit is used to feed any form of data to the computer. An output unit is any hardware component that conveys information to one or more people in user understandable form. Example for input unit is mouse, keyboard, etc. Example for output unit is monitor, printer, etc. Distinguish primary and secondary memory. Primary memory. The primary memory is used to store the programs and data temporarily, whereas secondary memory is used to store data permanently. The primary memory is volatile, that is, the content is lost when the power supply is switched off, whereas in secondary memory, the secondary memory is non-volatile, that is, the content is available even after the power supply is switched off. Example for primary memory is RAM. Example for secondary memory is hard disk, CD-ROM and DVD-ROM. What are the characteristics of computer? The characteristics of a computer are speed, accuracy, storage, diligence, versatility, and power of remembering. Write the applications of computer. Computers are used in the following fields. They are education, research, travel and tourism, weather forecasting, social networking, business, banking, ticket reservation, marketing, insurance, communication, healthcare, robotics, e-commerce, etc. What is an input device? Give examples. An input device is a component used to feed any form of data to the computer. Example: mouse, keyboard, scanner, trackball, digital camera, etc. Name any three output devices: monitor, speaker, printer, and plotter. Differentiate optical and laser mouse. Optical mouse. Optical mouse uses a light source instead of ball to judge the motion of the pointer, whereas laser mouse uses laser light. Optical mouse is less sensitive towards surface. Laser mouse is highly sensitive and able to work on any hard surface. Write a short note on impact printer. These printers print with striking of hammers or pins on ribbon. These printers can print on multi-part using carbon papers by using mechanical pressure. Example: dot-matic printers and line printers. Dot-matic printer pins using a fixed number of pins or wires. Line-matic printers use a fixed print head for printing. Write the characteristics of sixth generation. Parallel and distributed computing. Computer becomes smarter, faster and smaller. Development of robotics. Natural language processing. Development of voice recognition software. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe.